Welcome back to Gen AI Explained. On today's Beats on AI news updates, we've got tech companies making headlines. Let's jump right to it. First up, YouTube is using AI to launch Spotlight Moments, an advertising package targeting cultural moments like Halloween. The platform allows advertisers to curate dynamic playlists. Results show video reach campaigns using AI have significantly increased reach and reduced costs. Google's AI feature Search Generative Experience has new capabilities. It can now generate images and draft content based on user prompts. There are age restrictions due to content concerns, and images have AI-generated watermarks. Startup Ionics is revolutionizing battery tech using AI. They're partnering with companies including Porsche's Cellforce and Showa Denko to discover efficient electrolyte materials for batteries. Kobe Fuller of Upfront Ventures proposes a future where blog posts are interactive AI-driven experiences. His experimental site, Kobe AI, showcases this novel concept. Character AI has introduced a group chat feature where users can converse with AI personalities, both historical and mythical. It's currently available for subscribers, with a public launch planned soon. The European Union has warned Meta, parent company of Facebook and Instagram, about illegal content related to the Israel-Hamas war. Meta has 24 hours to respond, and fines could be levied if they breach the Digital Services Act. A new AI device designed to help people with note-taking is available for pre-order. The device prioritizes privacy and is still in its development stages. AI-powered startup Captions unveils its new app, LipDub, offering video translations into 28 languages, including some quirky ones like Pirate Talk.
I'm speaking in American English right now. E proprio così sono passata a parlare italiano. Passons a parler français y voyons ce que nous pouvons faire. ¿Qué tal si hablamos español? Pero en este punto no es mucho más impresionante, ¿verdad? अगर मैं हिंदी बोलना शुरू कर दूं तो क्या होगा? अब यह अलग है. मैं वास्तव में इसमें बहुत अच्छी हूं. ولكن كيف أتحدث العربية? それは私がど
Google reveals a new Chromebook series starting at $399, boasting enhanced performance and AI features optimized for video calls and content creation. They'll be available from October 8, 2023, across North America and Europe. Google has unveiled the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro smartphones powered by new AI-driven Tensor G3 chips. The highlight? Assistant with Bard, a cutting-edge digital assistant set to hit Android and iOS devices soon. Notably, these phones have advanced AI camera features like Best Take, merging multiple photos into an ideal image. Amidst these advancements, Google faces antitrust concerns related to its digital advertising prowess. Adobe showcased a slew of AI-powered tools at its MAX conference. The standout is Project Fast Fill, which permits video editors to effortlessly remove objects or modify backgrounds using a simple text prompt. Also highlighted were Project Draw and Delight that turns doodles into polished vector graphics, Project Posable for swift model posing, and Project Stardust, Adobe's next-gen AI-based image editing engine. Payment app, Klarna has rolled out a myriad of features. Standouts include an AI-driven image search tool, Shopping Lens, which matches photos of items to store offers, shoppable videos, and an in-store product scanner for detailed insights. Additionally, a UK cashback program is now in place. Orbum, a Munich startup, introduced an AI-infused MRI scanner that ascertains an egg's gender in a blink. After securing a $32 million in funding, they're aiming at human scanning. Experts forecast the AI medical imaging domain could be valued at nearly $30 billion by 2032. TikTok has launched Direct Post, enabling direct uploads from various editing apps, notably Adobe's AI-driven editors, Twitch and CapCut. Creators can now post, caption, and set audience preferences in one go. Meta's AI-generated stickers have caused a stir. While certain controversial terms are blocked, others aren't. For instance, a search for Pol Pot produces a sticker of the dictator amid disturbing imagery. That's all on our Beats on AI news updates. Do subscribe for more, stay tuned, and have a fab day.